To gain hands-on experience and have more knowledge in the practical aspect of broadcasting, pupils of St. Anthony Nursery and Primary School, Igbeba Road, Ijebu-Ode, visited Nta Ijebu-Ode Broadcasting House along GRA Road. Anthony Gadonu was part of the visit and now reports.
I saw some rooms like control rooms, and I saw some offices like administrative office, finance office, and the marketing office. Control room is where a place where audio and video are mixed together, and the editing room is where corrections are made.
We want to thank our parents and school for allowing us to come to the media, NTA, to experience amazing things. Thank you and God bless you.
Those were some of the pupils of St. Anthony Nursery and Primary School, Igbeba Road, Ijebu-Ode, sharing their experiences gathered from their excursion to Nta Ijebu-Ode. Their school, who came in large number, were on arrival addressed by a staff of the administrative department of the station and acquainted them with some of the purposes of the establishment of NTA across the country. Together with their teachers, the children were thereafter taken round some departments that the organization is made up of, while staffs of departments in charge of television production, such as news, engineering, and programs, took the children on functions and operations of these departments and equipment.
Here we add two things together. We add audio and video together. What do we have add together here?
Audio and video.
That audio and video, when we add it together, is equal to signal. Is equal to what?
Signal.
We take your message to the government, and we take back government's message to you through our medium.
A tour to the location where the station's mast, which houses the antenna that sends signal through the transmitter to the air, was also another experience for the school children. On behalf of the school, a teacher, Mrs. Omoyeni Ogunbajo, has this to say.
We had an amazing time, and the children also enjoyed themselves. They learned many things too. So we also want to thank our parents and the school for giving us this opportunity to visit the media house and also expose the children to what they have been taught in the class too. They are not restricted to only the classroom environment, but they were given opportunity to see life, one of the things that they are being taught in the school.
Apart from the practical experiences, the visit also afforded the children the opportunity to play around, but in modesty.